Let's start with lesson number 2, how to choose a good hydroponic medium. In hydroponics, the growing medium takes place of the dirt or soil, not to provide nutrients but so the roots can support the plant's weight and hold it upright. Just about any inert material can be used as a growing media. Inert meaning that it won't decay or break down quickly, thus providing nutrients to the plants. Hydroponic growing media is simply a soil-less material that is generally porous, so it can hold the moisture and oxygen that the root system requires to grow. Non-porous materials can be used as well, but watering cycles will need to be more frequent so the roots don't dry out between waterings. The growing medium won't be able to grow anything on its own. If you placed plants in hydroponic growing media and watered it with plain water, the plants would starve from nutrient deficiency. It's simply there to help support the plant's weight as well as the moisture and oxygen the roots needs. The nutrients the plants needs are provided by the nutrient solution and is what the growing media is watered and moistened with. Some of the most widely used growing media include rock wool, lightweight expanded clay aggregate called Hydroton, coconut fiber coconut chips, and perlite or vermiculite. While there are a lot of materials that can be used as growing media in hydroponics, they can all have very different properties than another type of media. We have even seen the use of high bales as growing medium to grow tomatoes, using a drip lines on top to drip the nutrient solution onto the high bales and tomato plant roots. There is not one growing media that is better than the rest, especially with so many different hydroponic system design possible. However, many growers eventually favor one type over others. There are a lot of things to consider when choosing what to use as a growing media. The type of system you're growing in and how you design and build that system is the biggest factor. While there is no one best growing media for all situations, some growing medias work better than others in different systems. With any hydroponic system and/or any type of growing media, the goal is still the same. You just need the roots to be moist, not soggy and saturated. If the growing media is saturated and soggy, the roots will suffocate from lack of oxygen. That situation can easily lead to roots dying and root rot. Although growing hydroponically is soil-free, this doesn't mean that there is nothing to support our plants. In most hydroponic systems, growers use different types of hydroponic media to help support their roots and maintain a good water-oxygen ratio. In this guide, I'll give you a breakdown of the most popular types of hydroponic growing media. Every hydroponic gardener has their own preferences, so I'll give you the advantages and disadvantages of each medium so you can choose the one that works right for your situation.